Hello everyone, today's will be a short video. I just wanted to tell you that I wanted to put back online my wire X knob. And for that I needed to buy another mobile and an HT that you have here. So I call up Radioworld, which is Radioworld.ca. It's your Canadian superstore and it's the largest, and you can check them out. But I call over there and talk to Pierre. They have a bilingual service, so they even speak in French. And I called Pierre and I made an order of the FTM-100DR and the FT70DR. What I like about this radio is it's very affordable. It's like a common dual band FM radio price, okay? But you have the C4FM, the Yaesu Fusion. You also have a PRS and a GPS. Here you have a small HT that is the FT70DR, and this is great. I'm going to tell you why. Digital modes as a ham, we have DMR, we have D-Star, and we have C4FM, and some others, but we will stick to that three. And we all want to experiment with all those digital modes because they offer different things. DMR has been very, very popular because radios are very cheap. But this radio, it's $209 Canadian, so that's around 150, 160 US. So this is a very, very good price for a Yaesu radio. So thumbs up on Yaesu on that, because this make this mode affordable with this small HT. So this is the kit that I needed to set up the wire X knob. I have my HRI 200 there that I had it already, but this is what I can do. So stay tuned for that, and I will also do a review on both radios. And here you have the a small antenna about Comet, which is SBB1. I used to have one on my car, and I just love it. It's small, and when I go into a parking, underground parking, you know, it's small enough. Unfortunately, I broke mine in a few years ago, and I broke it because of a duck. Okay, so air duck, but no, I didn't hit a duck. But this is a nice antenna, and I wanted to get one back, so I ordered that as well. Also, I have the desktop charger for the FT70DR. Concerning my Jeep video, for those who follow me, in summertime, I bought a new Jeep, which is the JL model. And the JL model is very, very new. And I'm waiting for the best antenna mount option on it. Okay, there's a different way I can do it, but I would have loved to have it like the JK. They have different kinds of bracket, but there's only one right now that is out for the JL, and it goes on the hinge of the back door, and I'm not sure if I want to do that. So and the old is probably too small for an SO239 because it is made for CB, so I need to modify the thing. Maybe I can ask them to do it for me. But I found something for the radio. And this radio maybe will go in the Jeep, but I have another option because this guy is Way of Life. It's a YouTube channel about Jeeps, and this guy developed a bar which is called the CB bar and fits perfectly into the Jeep between the two row bar on top, and you can have your radio set up there, and you don't need to have a detachable faceplate. So I can put a DMR radio right on there, and if the speaker is under it, that will be great as well. So this is a good option, and as time will go by, there'll be more option for installation for the GL Jeep, okay? Because the GK, there's a lot of things, but it's been around for 10 years. So we will see that. So I will wait until I get the perfect setup, because I don't want to drill anything into my Jeep. You know, I want a very, very good install, but the CB bar is definitely something I need to consider. So this concludes this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified as soon as a new video is online. On that, I'll say thanks for watching, and 73 for now.